we have to understand what is limit. You should know what is the limit of a function and the continuity at a particular point. Okay, right? So for that, first we are taking function. We need a function for limits, and the function taken is x square minus 16 by x minus 4 when x is not equal to 4 and 8 when x is equal to 4. So this is the function defined as. Again, we have to take the points for the left, for limit, for the existence of limit, we need left hand limit equal to right hand limit, and continuity will give you left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to at the point. Okay, so that's what we are checking here. Okay, first we will start with left hand limit. Now in order to get that left hand limit, you are just using certain points. Okay, we are not using the definition that we can just take the function and doing. You can just use the calculator here. The materials required, you can just see that drawing sheet, pencil, pen and calculator. Actually you don't need that pencil and all, you have to just take the values, and yes, of course you are not drawing the graph and all. Okay, for that we are just, what we are doing is, without calculator also you can do this. When you take the values, x and y, it is not compulsory that you use the calculator, because this function can be reduced and written as, this is ax square minus b square, so it is x plus 4 into x minus 4 divided by x minus 4, so that you will get it to be x plus 4. Here we are not doing that because you have to check for left and right, so we are not doing that. But for the ease of calculation, you can just see at the side and do it. That means whatever points you are taking nearby to the left side of 4, this is 4, so you have to take the neighborhood of 4. So 3.9, 3.99 like that you will take the values, and here you will take 4 point something like, right? 4.0, 4.01, 4.001 like that, nearer, coming nearer and closer to 4 you will choose the values of x. So at that time, here you are just placing that value and finding out is a tiring process. That's why they have said that you can use a calculator. But if we reduce like this, you can just add 4 and get the values of y or f of x. Okay, so the values which they are taking is 3.9, 3.99, 3.99. Like that it is going 3.99, 3.999, 3.9999. So it is coming closer and closer to 4. X value is coming closer and closer to 4 for the left side of 4. Okay, because it is not equal to 4, for both the left and right you have to take the same function, and this is at the point. Now if you use this, you can just add 4 and get the value of y. You are going for this means it is a difficult process, right? For that you can use calculator. Here you can write 7.9, it is 7.99, 7. You are just adding 4, 999, 7.9999. Now for the left limit, you can see the function value is going closer and closer to which value? 8, yes, 7.9, 7.99, 7.999 like that it is moving towards 8 from the left side. Okay, as x tends to, what you are getting, as x tends to 4 from the left side, that is 4 minus, you will get the function is tending to 8, right? So you can say left hand limit or limit x tends to 4 minus f of x is equal to 8. Now we are moving for the right hand limit. Okay, so for right hand limit we will choose the values of x as 4.01, 4.001, 4.00 like that, closer to 4 from the right side of 4. Okay, x, y. The value of x, if I am taking 4 point, what they have started with is 4.1, then 4.01, 4.001 like that it is extending. Okay, 4.1, 4.01, 4.001, 4.0001, 4.00001. Okay, so here what you will get, again you have to add 4 and write the value. So you will get here the function value f of x as 8.1, 8.01, 8.001, 8.0001, 8.00001. It means you can see that as x becomes nearer to 4, the value of the function becomes nearer to 8. That is, the right hand limit is equal to limit x tends to 4 plus f of x is same as again 8. So what you are getting, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So limit exists. What does this show? Limit exists and its value is 8. Now we have to check for the continuity. For the continuity, one more step is there, that is at the point, if you are getting the same value. So here you can say that limit extends to 4, f of x is existing and its value is 8. Okay, now we are moving to the continuity part, and for that you have to check at the point also. Now for at the point, what they have given, what is f of 4? F of 4 is given to be 8. That means the limit value is also coinciding with at the point. Therefore, f is continuous at x equal to 4. Understood? Left equal to right. So you are getting the function's limit exists and at the point also equal. Therefore, the function is continuous at the given point.